Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Bonjour.
Me and Bizzle here. We're going to have a little walk through
A trek.
We're going to
have a trek
through the pedestrian Tyne tunnel. So it's a tunnel that takes you.
Clues in the name.
Yeah, that takes you from Howden over to Jarrow in England, northeast of England. It's a tunnel that goes all the way through. It's got this mad elevator and things like that. So we're going to walk through it, and we're going to
Elevator. When England or
what
America,
is it? Yeah,
it's a lift.
Lift, yeah. But yeah, this is just the
entrance.
the entrance to it. Some fish jumping out the grass.
Yeah, because that's very northeast like.
Yeah.
Fish jumping out of
Grass. Yeah. So this is the entrance to it.
Don't know why they got a cycle lane. Like, where does that actually go? Like
The other side.
yeah, but you can't. Like, surely the bikes have got to go through the tunnel. Like, they can't go.
No,
that way.
there's two separate ones, I think.
What? There's a cycle tunnel.
Yeah, there's two separate ones.
Actually,
Yeah.
I thought well, it says cyclist dismounting here.
Yeah. So because you'll have to go on the lift, won't you?
Yeah, so why is there a cycle track outside? It's a myth. We'll have to get bikes and find out. Entry, please.
Oh, look at this inside here. It's all glass and everything. Let's go down there.
It's an old Victorian tunnel, isn't it? I think.
Yeah.
I think it was like done in Victorian times or something.
Yeah. This is what they're talking about. What was that one they want to build through to America or something? They were doing something like that.
What, like a transatlantic tunnel or something?
Yeah, that's what they were talking about. Oh,
Lincoln, London and New York.
Yeah. So we've literally just come from up there.
I think it's just like an idea that they've had and they've spoken about that, but it will never ever happen because it will cost billions.
Yeah.
To create something like that.
We're nearly down the bottom.
Shaking quite a bit.
Isn't it? It's quite shaky, this.
Do you think it's because we're both too fat?
Probably.
Do you think we've exceeded the maximum what people allow? What does it actually say? It doesn't say anything about a weight limit.
No way about that.
This car has CCTV installed.
It has indeed.
Level -1.
Doors opening.
Open the doors.
Doors open.
There's one more. This is the entrance to the tunnel.
See, so you've got two separate tunnels. Cyclist and
You've got cyclist tunnel and you've got pedestrian tunnel. That's the cycle tunnel. It's just the same really. This one's the
see
pedestrian
the cycle
tunnel.
tunnel. I think it looks like it's got like more of a dip to it, like to build up some speed.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh.
Ah, there's quite a big dip there as well really. So there.
I like their professional sign. Like on the
Cyclist the other way.
They couldn't put it on the wall, they just put it on a cone instead.
So we're actually going under the sea now.
No, we're not.
Not
We're
yet.
going under the river.
Under the river
Not under
Tyne.
the sea. We're not aerial.
Yeah, under the River Tyne. But yeah, we'll go to the other side. We'll have a little look. What's over there? Probably nothing in Jarrow, I don't think.
Just like disappointment and stench of piss.
I was expecting this to smell of piss, to be honest.
Yeah, tunnels usually do. They've usually got like a resident, like homeless person or something that's got like a bike that you got off Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah. Well, look at
We could maybe sell one to a homeless person on our challenge.
there's a little seat there as well.
But in case like you need a break, like
Yes,
halfway through.
I think so. Yeah. But yeah, it's
There's a lot. Oh, echo.
echoey.
There's a lot of nothing down here. It's just
Yeah, it's just a
a
tunnel.
tunnel with nothing. It's literally like, don't know, you're walking.
So we'll have to be under the river now, surely. Yeah. It's like
Well, let's have a look.
solid. Just having a look to see where we are.
No, I don't get signal, so I won't pick
I've
up
got
my.
signal.
It won't pick up my approximate location.
So, well, that's where we're.
So we started up here. And obviously we're working our way down here and we'll end up in Jarrow at the Tyne Pedestrian Tunnel Hub South.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's that.
What's this on the wall here?
Some sort of sign.
Oh, County of Northumberland and County of Durham.
Well, if you ask me, that's inaccurate because Jarrow isn't in Durham.
Oh, we're in no man's land now.
That must be like old.
Yeah. Looks at it.
So I think years ago, like Durham, the boundaries changed or something. So this area probably used to be included within Durham,
But now it's...
and now it's not. Someone that's a lot more clever than what we are, and someone that's got geographical
Historian.
knowledge, they'll probably be able to tell us in the comments what's happened.
Yeah.
And there'll probably be some smart Alec that's watching the video that wants to tell us that they're right, so they'll be on Google now tapping away to find out what's happened and why it says County of Durham.
Yeah.
But, if that's you, let us know in the comments. Tell us.
If anybody knows
Educate
anything,
us.
yeah, educate us.
Every day's a school day. Every day's a day to learn.
Definitely. I think we're coming up to the end here.
I think we are.
It's not really that far,
There's not really,
is it?
like I said, there's not really much here, is there? It's just a lot of nothing.
It's a bit freaky though.
It could, like, I know it's probably not on their like
Much,
list
yeah.
of jobs to do, but it could do with a little bit of tidy up down here. Like, how does dirt get like this high up? Like, it's a tunnel, like what people walk through. Like, how do you get dirt 6 foot in here?
Unless it's water residue or something.
Maybe.
Water
Maybe.
dripping through.
It could be water residue. Imagine if there's a leak. Like the tunnel just starts filling with river water or something.
Yeah, it'd be mental, wouldn't
And then we
it?
have to leg it to try and get out before we
Or
get,
swim out.
Aye.
Yeah.
No, well, yeah.
We'd probably have to swim out, wouldn't we?
Probably have to swim out.
Yeah.
See if we can.
Alright.
And yeah. Mate, I ain't swimming. I'm legging it. I'm running. It'd be like a scene from like some sort of like Mission Impossible movie or something.
Yeah.
So that's it. We're literally at the other end.
What's this here? Oh, this looks a bit freaky. It's nothing down there.
There's literally nothing there.
I think it's a lift, I think. I was just joking, there was nothing there.
Another heavily professional sign,
Yeah.
just drawn with crowns.
Yeah. So this is the...
Should we be rebels and go back through the
Now in case we get up over there, we'll go up this lift. Start.
So you're not watching the video in reverse, but are actually going up the other end now.
Yeah. Look at all the
metal work.
metal work. Looks like we're inside of a ship, doesn't it? Well, this was a massive shipping area years ago, so...
It still is, isn't it, the port at the time?
Yeah, it is, yeah. I mean...
It's not as important as what it once was, but...
No.
Again, there'll be some smart person in the comments that'll be able to
Did
tell
you
us
see
all
that?
about
It's
it.
like a weight.
Like what? A wig?
A weight. You
Oh,
see it?
wait, yeah.
Yeah. Right. Down to the top now. It's very wobbly, isn't it?
It's a bit like a shit roller coaster or something. You know, when you get to the top and then you
Yeah.
hang there and then drop at the end.
I was remember my dad telling us years ago, these escalators used to be wooden escalators or something. They were the biggest in Europe or
Oh
something.
wow!
Yeah. I don't know if they've still got them or what. Yeah, they have. Look at wooden escalators, mate. Look at that.
Yeah, they are wood as well.
Wooden escalators. They were apparently the biggest in Europe or something. Wooden escalators that were still in operation or something. A weird thing that I always remember about. This is Jarrow over the other side of the water. Here, here's a bit of. There you go. 1951 it was made. Yeah. Shall we walk upstairs? See what this big. Don't know what that means.
That stands for fuck the Mackhams and Jesus God.
Or it's a code for the Monopoly, so you can get a free.
Yeah, from McDonald's.
So you get a free Big
Monopoly.
Mac.
Try it.
Yeah. Up some stairs. Walking up some stairs.
Like Rocky Balboa.
Like Rocky Balboa.
And that is literally it.
This is it, yeah.
And I think
that's
that
where
is
we just
probably-
came from, over there. So
you
yeah.
can see the river over this
Look,
side.
you can go down there, go down the river there. Should we have a little wander down there?
Let's have a little look down there.
Yeah. But there's not much else there. A couple of high-rise buildings and
I think we'll have a little look over there, and then I think that will probably be a good place to end the vlog.
Definitely.
But let's have a look first before we do that.
Have a little look.
But in the meantime, everyone, you know what we're going to say. Like, comment, subscribe.
Look at the ship.
Tell us what you think's on that boat. But no, seriously, please do like, comment and subscribe.
Yep.
All the interactions that you have with our videos, it helps the channel to grow, helps things to get bigger and better for us as well.
Yeah.
And you know, we make these videos not only for ourselves but for you guys to watch and enjoy as well. So please do interact with us.
Yeah, message us.
Yeah.
We've got Facebook,
Instagram,
Snapchat,
got it all.
everything.
Got it all.
TikTok.
But
Just
get on our
message us.
pages.
Yeah.
Just look Rushy 1985. Message us, tell us what you want to see us do in future videos. I know we've said that before in other videos, but we mean it. We do want you guys to interact with us. We want you to tell us what you want to see, and then we can make videos that you guys are going to watch and enjoy and share with your friends.
Definitely.
But tell a friend to tell a friend. But yeah, there is the River Tyne.
Wow. Look at that boat just down there. Just went down.
Should do like a bit of a Titanic moment.
Titanic moment like this.
Mate, see the big ship,
Wow.
big ship down there or something?
Yeah. There's a
huge
massive ship down there. See if we can get a big ferry. We'll see if we can get a picture.
There might be a chance that's going to Amsterdam or something like that. Maybe.
No, because Amsterdam's on the other side. Amsterdam's down. Amsterdam's over there. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think that ship is actually on that side as the river bends round, because there's a bend in the river there.
Ah, yes, it might be, yes.
So I think it is on the North Shield side.
But what we'll do is we'll leave it there, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Hit us up on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, anything. All of them, just
All them good things there.
Rushy1985 RUSHEY 1985. And what we'll do is any comment, we'll always respond to the comments. Anybody who has any suggestions, anything like that, just give us a message and we'll see what we can do. If anybody wants to come in, do one of our videos with us, hit us up. More the merrier. Well, as long as there's not like,
yeah, as long as there's not like 600 of them.
yeah, then that would be a bit silly.
Be a bit
Yeah,
too much.
But,
you know the damn thing.
and I'll just finish it off with a little view of the River Tyne.